Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Oh, Judy, I'm so happy to see you today. Do you know what day it is?
Of course, John. Today is the Lantern Festival. It is a very special day because it marks the end of the Lunar New Year celebrations.
I see many colorful decorations outside. People look very happy. What do people usually do on this day?
Well, the most important thing is family. Families come together to celebrate. We have a very special food to eat tonight.
Is it more dumplings? I ate so many dumplings last week.
No, not dumplings this time. We eat something called tang yuan. In English, we call them sweet rice balls. They are round and very soft.
Sweet rice balls? That sounds delicious. Why do we eat them? Is there a special meaning?
Yes, the round shape is very important. In our culture, round things symbolize family unity and togetherness. When we eat them, we hope our family stays close and happy all year.
Oh, family unity. I like that. They are sweet. So, the year will be sweet too, right?
Exactly. You are learning fast. Some are small and pink or white, others are big and have peanut or sesame filling inside.
I want the peanut ones. But what about the lights? I see so many beautiful lanterns in the park.
That is the second part of the festival. We call them lantern displays. Long ago, people used paper and candles. Now, we have amazing lights in many shapes. Some look like dragons or rabbits.
Wow, it is like a big outdoor art show. But I saw some people looking at papers on the lanterns and thinking very hard. What are they doing?
Oh, that is my favorite part. Those are lantern riddles. A riddle is like a little puzzle or a word game.
A word game? Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let me think. Here is a simple one. What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs?
Oh, that is hard. Let me see. A face and hands, but no legs. Is it a clock?
Yes, you got it. That is a lantern riddle. People write these puzzles on the lanterns. If you get the right answer, you might even win a small gift.
That sounds like so much fun. It is like a brain game for everyone.
It really is. It makes the walk in the park very exciting. Children love it, and old people love it too.
So, we eat sweet rice balls for family unity, look at beautiful lantern displays, and solve riddles. This is a very busy and happy night.
It is indeed. It is a night full of light and love. People feel very peaceful and hopeful for the future.
Well, I am ready. I want to try a sweet rice ball now. And then, I want to find more riddles.
Let's go then. There are so many lanterns to see. Happy Lantern Festival, John.
Happy Lantern Festival, Judy. Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.